So we're here at Quality Care Chiropractic, and if you could introduce yourself.
My name is Jean Gallegos.
And how long have you been coming to Quality Care?
About 13, 14 years.
Okay, and then what first brought you in?
Low back pain, leg pain, up and down, and it was growing worse. It wasn't getting better, so.
And what did you try to take care of it, or who did you see?
I had tried MD, I went to an orthopedist, I went to another chiropractor. I wasn't getting any better. In fact, it was getting worse. So
Okay.
I was recommended to come here by my daughter, and I've been here for 14 years, so it's good stuff.
And so what was the experience like here?
It's been wonderful. It really has. I've had ups and downs, in and out. I work outdoors a lot. I do gardening, heavy lifting, digging, all of that fun stuff. And of course I have new and old pain. So I'm always here. I'm on a maintenance schedule, and thank goodness, because I couldn't do what I do at 76 years old without quality care.
And what kind of areas have we been treating for you?
You've been treating top to bottom pretty much. I've always got something going on, but the low back pain is chronic. I have some degeneration in the mid-back now and in the neck, and especially in my hands. So I'm here getting adjusted once a month, and sometimes twice a month when I aggravate my conditions.
And what would you tell people that haven't considered chiropractic yet for their problem, or are considering it and not sure what to do?
Please try it. If it doesn't work for you, that's one thing, but give it a chance. Don't let the wives' tales keep you from the door. Give it a go.
And then how about your family? Do they get adjusted?
My whole family comes here now. My daughter and her 2 sons and their babies are all here receiving chiropractic.
Okay, great. Thank you.